Today I will show you 3 things that you have to do before you sell your iPhone. Now the first thing that you will do is you will sign out of the iCloud from the iPhone. So go to settings, tap on the name at the top here, and at the bottom you have the option to sign out. Select sign out, and then you have to enter the password of your Apple ID and then select this option turn off. Now once you have signed out of the iCloud, the next thing that you have to do is you have to erase your iPhone. Now before you erase the iPhone, make sure that you have backed up all the things to the iCloud, otherwise you will not be able to restore it. Now go to settings, go to general, go to transfer or reset iPhone, select erase all content and settings. Now this will erase all the data, Apple account and everything on your phone. Select continue, select erase iPhone, and then you have to enter the passcode for the iPhone, and then you will be able to erase the iPhone. The third thing that you have to do is you have to remove this device as trusted device from your Apple ID. Now I will show you how to do it in my computer. Now to remove your Apple device as a trusted device, open a web browser and open this website appleid.apple.com. Click on sign in. Now you have to enter your Apple ID and password. Continue. Enter the password of your Apple ID. Now there is an option, your account security. Click on it. I have one phone number as a trusted phone number for my Apple ID, and I have other 3 devices as the trusted device. So if this is the iPhone which I'm going to sell, I will click on this arrow here, and then I will click on this option remove from account. So what does this do is this will remove the iPhone from my Apple ID. So these 3 things you have to do before you sell your iPhone. Thank you for watching the video. Please like and comment on the video if you found it helpful.